Hey guys, welcome to the last video of Module 6. Okay, in this video, I'm not really going and teaching you guys a lesson or anything. I just want to kind of talk to you guys about another form of scaling or optimizing your campaigns, I guess. Well, more of scaling your campaigns, right? So, I mean, if you guys know Laz and I, you guys know that we preach in our group to go ahead and diversify your traffic sources. Okay, guys? So you guys don't want to depend just on Google Shopping to make all your sales, right? Because if one day Google Shopping is doing bad or the cost per purchase is high, guess what? You guys are going to lose money, okay? And it happens with every traffic source that you know that there is. It happens with Facebook, it happens with YouTube, it happens with Google, with Reddit, with everything. So this video is just to encourage you guys to diversify, right? You don't just want to be here advertising in Google shopping campaigns. You guys want to advertise in Google search campaigns and advertise in Google display campaigns, right? Advertise on Google, advertise on freaking Facebook. Facebook is one of the best ones to advertise on. Okay, so you guys want to advertise on all of these. I just wanted to show you guys here really quick how the Google search campaigns look, which this right here is a Google search campaign. It's not done very well. In the bonus section, Laz is actually going to include a video of how to scale out your campaigns using Google search. This is an example of a bad Google search ad, another bad Google search ad, and another bad Google search ad. So I mean, a lot of people don't know how to do Google search very well, but Google search can be very powerful. And especially after having a successful Google shopping campaign, a Google search campaign can be just as successful. And we're actually going to include that video. Once again, Laz will make that video and he's going to teach you guys exactly how to create a successful Google search campaign after having the shopping campaign. Another campaign that we're going to include is a Facebook one, and I'll be teaching that one, and I will basically be teaching you guys how to get all your data from Facebook. I'm sorry, how to get all your data from Google and transfer it over to Facebook, okay? And that could be another traffic source for you guys. So again, I mean, as time goes on, we're going to be adding more and more videos to the bonus section, but we will be adding for sure, the Facebook one and the Google search one because those are two of the most important traffic sources, right? Google and Facebook. Those are the kings of paid advertising right now. So again, this video was just to kind of talk to you guys about diversifying your traffic sources. If you guys want to stabilize your business, do not just use one traffic source, guys. If you're going to use Google, also use Facebook. Go into YouTube, learn YouTube ads. Go into Reddit, learn Reddit ads. Just have ads everywhere, guys. That way, if one day one source is doing bad, the other ones will pick up the slack, right? And I mean, honestly, that's what Laz and I have done to become successful in ecom. I'm here just being real to you guys. You guys don't just want to advertise on Google Shopping. I don't care if I have a course on Google Shopping or not. It's not the only advertising source. There's a whole mess of really good courses on Facebook, on YouTube, right? And again, you guys don't even have to buy them. If you guys can actually get the money that you were going to use to buy the course and just put it into ads, guys. Start testing your own strategies, developing your own strategies, and you're going to see that when you start testing weird things and things that you don't think would work, they actually work sometimes. And I found that especially with Facebook and Google search ads, test some weird stuff. Put in some weird keywords. I don't know if you're selling a bow tie. Test UFC fighters on Facebook, right? Sometimes it works, and sometimes you'll be surprised at how good it works and how much you can scale that up, right? So I'm gonna stop ranting now. But again, just diversify your traffic sources. Do not just use Google Shopping, right? Google Shopping isn't the only traffic source out there. Don't just use Facebook. Facebook isn't the only traffic source out there. Use all of them. When you guys use a combination of all of them and learn how to use the combination of all of them, your business will be stable. When you guys have more than 3 traffic sources running traffic to your website, that's when you can finally sit back and say, okay, I have a steady business. After that, you guys work on your customer service, on all that other stuff that I'm not gonna go into in this video. Okay, guys, so that's about it for this video. I just wanted to be real with you guys, talk to you guys a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this course. I know I really enjoyed making it. I really hope that you guys see the results that we have seen with Google Shopping. There's no reason why you shouldn't, as long as you follow everything that I taught you guys in this course. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you guys in the bonus section. Again, it is a bonus section, but you guys should, I highly recommend that you guys watch those videos because a lot of them are really good and a lot of them are going to 2x, even 3x your freaking sales, okay? So watch the bonus sections, don't sleep on it. We'll be adding as many as we can. All right, guys, thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the bonus section. Bye.